Action 10 Chief Meteorologist Sharon Ray with your Doppler 10 weather forecast.
Well, good afternoon. Happy Friday as we are now at the end of the week and heading into a hot, sticky weekend. Temperatures right now are at 94 in Corpus Christi, feeling like 104. The wind has picked up to 20 miles an hour. And across the area, we're in the 90s, except for Port Aransas with 89 right now, and the heat index anywhere from 103. But look at the Naval Air Station, 111. Feeling awfully sticky out there, 101 at Robstown. And those numbers will come up a little this weekend. Tonight's low temperatures dropping into the mid to upper 70s inland. Not a lot of change on the lows tonight, and lower 80s right at the coastline. And then as we head toward the morning tomorrow, we may get a shower at the beaches in the morning and then a spot afternoon shower inland. But overall, looks like a pretty dry Saturday, and those temperatures are going to climb. We're looking at 92 by noon to 96 at 2 o'clock, and that heat index a little bit higher tomorrow in Corpus Christi, reaching as high as 109 degrees, what it feels like. So remember to take it easy if you're going to be outdoors this weekend. High temperatures from 100 from George West to Alice and Falfurrias, 101 coastside. Close to 90 again at the beaches, and 96 at Robstown to 98 at Kingsville tomorrow. So yeah, it's August and the temperatures aren't changing a lot. In fact, this upcoming few days here in Corpus Christi hovering very close to the mid 90s, but the heat index, what it feels like, goes up a little bit toward Monday, up to 110 by Monday. So we're going to have that very sticky air with us as we head into next week. So if you are heading to the beaches this weekend, we're looking at 3-foot waves. There's a low rip current risk out there, and the wind picking up to 16 miles an hour by late afternoon or so. And we are going to see those temperatures in the upper 80s, perhaps a shower early in the day at the beaches, but that would move inland by afternoon, giving you plenty of sunshine. And the wind picks up a little bit, but Monday and Tuesday look breezy. Tomorrow is very similar to today, as well as Sunday coming down just slightly, but then the wind picks up again to start the work week as our temperatures are going to start climbing again next week above average. Now you can see in the tropics, we've been talking about this system just off the coast of Florida. This could be a tropical storm, could be Tropical Storm Dorian here within the next couple of days. It has a likely chance of formation. So these folks here are going to have to really watch this, as it's going to bring heavy rain and wind along the Florida coastline and the southeast. And again, very likely to continue to develop for this area. Meanwhile, there's another one that developed today, and this one also has a pretty decent shot at strengthening. This is another tropical disturbance right here. It's about 1,300 miles west of the Windward Islands, and it's got a 50% chance of development in the next 5 days as it travels to the west northwest. We'll keep a very close eye on that system. Back at home, well, we can't seem to get much rain. You know, we had a few spot showers today. Look how they moved inland with the sea breeze, but it's just dry in most of our area, while the coastline northward, Victoria to Houston, had some better showers that have developed, and that'll be the case into the weekend. As expected, we're just on the edge of that tropical moisture as that little wave has been pulling to the north. As we go into next week, we are going to start heating up again. In fact, we're still hot now, but the temperatures are actually going to come up a couple more degrees as that high pressure from the west starts to come right back at us. So we're looking at a lot of heat, a lot of humidity, and that's going to keep us pretty dry again next week. Here is your 7-day forecast brought to you by AutoNation's Super Zero event. Get new cars and trucks with absolutely zero due at signing. Visit AutoNation.com. So as we go into the weekend, again, watch that heat index this weekend. Take it easy outdoors. It'll reach up to 110. We do have a spot shower chance both Saturday and Sunday, but I do think we're going to be pretty dry next week with lots of sunshine and above average temperatures.